Okay, I wanted to give you an example of the kind of slowdown that I'm seeing around noon to 2:30 every day. When this started, I was actually going to wait and start over on the process to show you how slow it was getting this Word document to come up, especially since I already have a Word document up over here. I tried to double click on this attachment and it's opening Microsoft Word again. It's taking quite a while. I'm only on the add-in 3 of 10 and it's still working on it, and it took a significant amount of time just to get it to, once I clicked on the email, you'll see the email up here that I clicked on from Jim Ray. When I clicked on that, it took it a while before it would even come up on that email, and then I double clicked on the attachment, which is a Word document that eventually will come up here, and it simply, at first it ignored the double click. I clicked on it again. It took quite a while for it to get to the preview, which is what you're seeing in the email below the Word opening screen there, where it says Christopher Nolan. That's the preview. And then I double clicked it again and it eventually started this process of bringing up the Word document. But as you can see, it's taking quite a while. I'm actually waiting for it to finish so I can hopefully go show you maybe a couple of other things that are examples of how slow it can get during this time of day. Processing. And I'm not sure why it's showing the image on two sides. Maybe the first double click finally caught up, although I can't imagine why it would generate the same image on two different screens. I'm going to go ahead and close. You see I'm up here, I've clicked on that, I clicked on the file. Now I'm waiting for the actual box to open up. You see it disappeared and it came back, disappeared, now it's come back. Now I have the opportunity to go close it, which is what I want to do. I'm going to close it. So that's closing now. Whether if it brought up a separate instance of Word or whether it's actually just trying to close that screen. Let's see, what does this say? Well, I can't really tell what it's doing. Let me see if I can get this to go away. You see I'm hitting the little, okay, wait. This one over here is doing something. And it could be I'm just being impatient. You can see it's got kind of a box there that's created on the screen, but I don't know what that's supposed to be. And I'm waiting for it to do something. And I never did click the X down there, so I haven't clicked since I hit close. This is all waiting for it to close or respond to the command close. And again, I don't know what this screen means over here, why it's got the kind of the transparent image on the screen like that. Alright, it blinked again when I just moved the cursor. I didn't actually click on anything. So this came back up. Okay. Oh, wait. Alright, now I'm seeing, okay, look. If I hover over this one, that does that. See, I'm hovering. If I take it off, that goes away. So hover, it does that. Take it away, comes back. So I'm going to hover over this and I'm going to hit the X, and it did nothing. I moved away, it still got that there. So now look, this one disappeared. No, it came back. So I hover, that disappeared. Okay, hover. All right, let's just get out of that. Okay, you can see now I've got the cursor there. I've clicked on another email, but you can see it hasn't changed yet. It hasn't changed to Diane Lowy's email. It's still on the previous one. Now it's changing. Okay, now it finally did that. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to close out of this Word document. I've clicked on the file up here. I'm waiting for the drop down. Maybe it didn't pick up on it, so I'll click it again. Okay, I probably screwed it up now. So I don't know whether it's still trying to give me the drop down or not. Let's see if it'll react. I've clicked the file button a third time. It's still not doing anything. Theoretically, if it received all 3 clicks, then this time the drop down should come up. All right. See the X lit up, so I'm going to try to close it like that. I've got a circle now. At least I've got some kind of reaction. And it went away, so that got rid of it. For some reason, the file button would not react. I'll try it again just real quick to see if anything happens. Nothing happened. Clicked it again, nothing. Okay, there we go. Now we got something. Now I'm going to hit exit because I want to get out of Word. I don't need that document anymore. I've hit exit. Finally, it's going away. Okay, now it's gone. Let's see if I get any more reactions over here. Okay, still waiting for the email to change. Okay, now it changed. Anyway, and you can see the little orange thing, how it's not moving. See the orange thing there? It's not moving. And then it's going to move here in a second. It's just really slow. Got a little message, but I didn't get to see it. Okay, and now finally the email has come up after clicking on it that time. Let me try one more time. Let's see, ABA Publishing. You can see how the little orange line isn't moving very fast. Now that came up. That came up fairly quickly. Anyway, this should give you an idea of the kind of slowdown that I'm seeing. It's not in one particular program, it's across multiple programs. It appears to come from the computer. You know, it's a computer issue, not a specific software issue. And everything is slower. I mean, here's another example. This is supposed to open up, come up when you hover over it. It's supposed to go away when you move away. It's taking more time to do that. You know, going back to another email. This one's coming back up more quickly now, but you can see that it is slower on some things. I guess I could look around for another example, but that's just, you know, maybe this will, yeah, you can see I've clicked on another folder, and that took a little while for it to do that. Not as bad as some of the others. Anyway, that's an example. Thanks. Bye.